So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the perfect synonym for any word visually. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, here you have to search for visualwords.com. You can see the right URL. If I pronounce it wrong, just simply go to this website, and once it gets open, here you need to click on this option of explore. And once you click on this option of explore, here you can see as a sample the statement word synonyms are generated. Now all you need to do is to just simply search the word that you want right here, and it will generate some synonyms that you can explore visually with this kind of effect that is very interesting if you are doing the learning purpose. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.